Lumpia, lumpia, lumpia. May pera sa lumpia. Hi guys, hello everyone. So ito na nga. Ito yung naging ganap ko noong araw ng Sabado. Sobrang busy ng kusina ko guys kasi I have to accommodate someone's order that would be picked up at 10 o'clock in the morning. So, maaga akong nagising guys kasi kailangan kong ilabas yung mga frozen lumpia ko. Imagine 250 pieces na lumpia na iluluto ng aking fryer. So, magiging non-stop yung aking fryer. Buti na lang ay mga bago yung aking fryer. Kaya talagang pangmalakasan. So, grabe. So, in order for you to make it on time, kailangan mo talagang you have enough time to prepare everything bago pa dumating yung mag-pick up. So, na-meet ko si Michelle. She is my new customer. And nag-ask siya sa akin na kung pwede daw umorder sa akin ng isang tray muna, i-try niya, and then pag nagustuhan niya, ay o-order siya ng malakihan. Anong sabi ko, since you wanna try my lumpia, I could make you one tray just for free. Pipick upin mo lang dito sa bahay. So, pinick up niya nga guys, nagkita kami, nag-usap kami, and then nung umuwi siya sa bahay at na-try niya yung aking lumpia, Diyos ko, I wasn't really expect na yung in-order niya sa akin kaagad ha. Instant 250 kasi meron siyang malaking event sa company nila. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, this is my first time that one customer will order me 250 pieces na lumpia. Grabe. Tapos, nag-book siya ng order niya 3 weeks bago yung event. So talagang pinag-prepare ko. Kaya yung paggawa ko ng lumpia ay non-stop talaga. Kaya I'm very thankful sa kanyang feedback. And of course, I'm very thankful to the Lord for my energy every day and for the blessing.